Hey, welcome back to another Axe Cards video, and today we have the Forces of Nature GX Premium Collection. Similar to the Legends of Johto, which we had recently, it's kind of the same setup. We get a couple GXs, a cool jumbo, a pin, a coin, and 6 packs. So this time out, we have Tornadus and Thundurus as the two featured cards in it. These guys were first announced in Emerging Powers in Black and White. We really haven't seen too much of them since Black and White. I think we saw Tornadus once in Furious Fists a long time ago. And then we saw Thundurus was also in Furious Fists, but we had him in Roaring Skies as well. So we get this kind of cool backing. I don't know. It's not really a playmat, but I guess you could decorate something with it. And let's take a look at the jumbo. These jumbos are really cool. These legendary Pokemon jumbos. So just like the last one with Suicune, Raikou, and Entei, you have 1,000 damage. Be legendary. Tornadus, Thundurus, and Landorus embark on a year of legendary adventures. Oh, that's kind of cool. So 500 hit points, and yeah, goes along nicely with the other jumbo if you're collecting jumbos. Then let's take a look. As always, you're going to get a code card, which I'm guessing are just going to unlock the two Tornadus and Thundurus card in the online game. So Landorus does not make an appearance. Let me just make sure you can see this. We don't have a card for Landorus, but we do get a coin and a pin for him, which is kind of cool if you're into those kind of things. So there's the coin, and here also is the pin. Very cool. Right, and then let's see what packs they've chosen to give us. I already spied something I didn't like, so we'll see what the rest are. So Forbidden Light, that's cool. That's the latest expansion. We have a Guardians Rising, always nice. Evolutions, which is what I saw and didn't like. Stop giving us evolutions. Nobody wants them. We have a Sun and Moon base set, a second Forbidden Light, and a Crimson Invasion. So that's kind of cool. I was hoping for an Ultra Prism in there too, but I guess not. Let's take a look at the promo cards themselves. First one we'll look at is our Thunderous Gx. So this one has 180 damage, has charge for 1 lightning energy. Search your deck for a lightning energy card and attach it to this Pokemon, then shuffle your deck. Then there's Electric Ball, 3 lightning energy, does 140. Its GX is Thundering Hurricane GX for 100 damage. And says flip 4 coins. This attack does 100 damage for each heads. I don't know how playable it's going to be. Seems kind of random and not that good, but what do I know? So we got a Tornadus GX as well. So this is SM134. I didn't say the Thundurus is SM133. So this pads our Sun and Moon collection, promo collection. So this one has Gust for 2 colorless, does 50 damage. Wild Fury, 90 plus for 3 colorless. Flip a coin until you get tails. This attack does 30 more damage for each heads. So it's kind of, again, based on chance. And then we have Destructive Cyclone Gx, does 130 damage. Costs 3 colorless. Discard all energy from your opponent's active Pokemon. Again, I don't know how playable that's going to be, but they at least look cool, which is half the battle. So we only have one XY. Let's put them in order. We only have one XY, which is the evolutions, and then we're going to move on to our Sun and Moon, Guardians Rising. Okay, we go in order. So we're going to start with our Venusaur artwork evolutions. I am ready for evolutions to stop being including in sets because I have seen enough of it. 1, 2, 3. But maybe that's just me. So we got a colorless to start. Then we have a Machoke, Coughing, Nidoran, Poliwag. We have a Grass Energy, Rattata, Vulpix. Our reverse is a reverse metal energy. Oh, it's cool seeing those. And our rare is Mewtwo EX full art. Maybe I need to rethink my stance on evolution. I forgot this card is pretty awesome in here. 103 of 108. Very nice looking. So yeah, maybe it wasn't so bad we had an evolutions pack in there. Alright, moving right on. So that's a good start. So let's see our Sun and Moon base set. Why not? Let's give away a code for this as well. 1, 2, 3, 4 for the Sun and Moon. So we have a Fighting Energy, Trumbeak, Rainbow Energy, Torracat, Drowsy, Cutiefly, Makuhita, Snubble. We have Alolan Rattata. Surskit is our reverse, and our rare is, ooh, we have a Crocodile rare holo. Oh, we are off to a flying start this time. Okay, moving right on. Let me adjust my lights a little bit. I think it's a little dark. There we go. I think that's a little bit better. Lights were looking a bit dark. So we're moving right on to our Guardians Rising pack. So if we happen to pull a Tapu Lele here, I will run laps around the house and do backflips, but it's probably not going to happen. Metal Energy, Clefable, Metang, Choice Band, oh that's nice. Always nice pulling those guys. Jangmo O, Wishy Washy, Delibird, Mudbray, Slowpoke. Our reverse is a reverse Sharpedo, a reverse rare, and our rare is Pangoro. No Tapu Lele. Surprise, surprise. Okay, so let's move on to our Crimson Invasion. We have a Guzzlord artwork pack. See if we can make it 2 ultra rares from this. Would be nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 ultra rares from the box, that is. Psychic Energy, Miltank, Hakamo O, Dashing Pouch, Corphish, Starly. We have a Skidoo, Weedle, a Alolan Geodude. We have a Counter Energy as our reverse. And our rare is Wigglytuff. Alright, so we're moving right along. We're on to our Forbidden Light packs. We have 2 of these guys to try and pull something decent from. So hopefully we'll get lucky. Alright, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're starting with a Metal Energy, Fossil Excavation Map, Diggersby, Ultra Recon Squad, Furfrou, Skrelp, Magnemite, Noibat, Execute. Esper is our reverse, and the rare is, wow, Yveltal GX. So there we go. There's our second ultra rare we were hoping for. Very nice. So we got our Yveltal and our Mew, which we had from before. And let's move on to our last pack, and hopefully, well, I really can't hope for anything more. We've got more than the average out of this box, so I picked the right one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we have Fairy Energy, Uxie, Poipole, Crasher Wake, Bunnelby, Skrelp, Snover, Scatterbug, Cubone. Our reverse is reverse Gibble, and our rare is a Clawitzer, which is a non-holo rare. So altogether, this was a really good pack. So we got our old box, we got our Yveltal GX, and our Mewtwo GX, which are really good luck. And not to be outdone, Crocodile also appeared, and we got a rare holo from it. So very cool. Normally with these boxes, I find you'll get 2 or sometimes 1. Rarely got 3 ultra rares from one of these 6-pack premium boxes, but they can happen. But yeah, that's about it. I'll leave you with a final shot of the coin pin for our Landorus, as well as the 2 promo cards, the SM133 and 134. Hope you enjoyed the video. We have a new expansion coming up beginning of August, but until then it's a pretty dry release schedule. So I will try to make some other videos to post up some stuff. We do have some old openings to put up, but I will see you guys with the next video.